From this to this, this will be the best sleep you ever get in your life. I have collapsing nostrils, and one thing I'm not going to do is spend thousands of dollars on surgery to get this corrected when I can just use one of these. I've been buying the refills for months, and it's really not that expensive. I get literally the best night's sleep, and I cannot travel without these. And I mean, come on, I go from this to just this. I mean, that is insane to me. If you have a partner that has issues like these, all they need is this little thing, and they will be sleeping soundly, and so will you. You will both get the best night's sleep ever. If you sleep like this or your partner sleeps like this, try this, come back, and thank me later.